Hi guys, good morning. Today we are over at Mount Buffalo and we're about to walk up the Horn. So a pretty cool view, pretty cool trip. So come on, check this out. Made it up to the top of the Horn, and look who I bumped into.
Oh,
Mark.
God. What are you doing up here?
Mark from Mark's Moto Adventures. That's a small world.
Yeah. Bloody oath.
Not a bad view.
It's good, mate. It's good. Can't complain about this.
Very nice. Yeah. No, that's
Very
good. We'll have a look around and head back down.
Yep, sounds good.
360-degree views.
Pretty cool.
It is very
Awesome.
God, he made it!
No, it's too far. Can we go back now?
We're going to go and check out Leviathan. This is pretty cool. It's a massive rock, you know, the size of a two-story house that you can walk under, and it's right here.
It's not working!
Don't let go. You hold it. Keep going. Oh wow, check this thing out, eh? Get a load of it. Massive rock you can walk underneath. I'm sure someone's worked out what it weighs, but yeah, very impressive, worth a look. Just down the road from the Horn. Bent's Lookout. So we're up here at the chalet. We'll check this out and then we'll go over the road and have a quick look.
Going pub?
Sounds good to me. That's quite impressive there behind me. Very impressive. It's really nice up here. Really worth the drive coming up. Worth it coming down for a look. So you can see the hang glider launch ramp there behind me. Have to have some pretty big kahunas to jump off that. I think this might wrap up our day today up here at the chalet. So we've got to head all the way back to Mitta now. But it's great up here. I wish I had more time to do all the little walks and stuff. But well worth it, well worth it. So another day tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some four-wheel driving in, but we'll see you back at camp. Nachos for dinner. How good does that look? We'll get that in. We're out for another day, guys. This is our last day today, so we're just poking around the area, trying to find a few four-wheel drive tracks. But we've just come down a track to the dam, and yeah, very nice. Check this out, it's pretty cool. Just come down Shiva's track, I think it is. Now we've got this old tree here, so we've got a saw with us, but we'll just wait till Mark gets here and he's the one with the saw, see what he thinks. So we've had a bit of a chat about that, and it is a bit sketchy, and we don't know if there's more down at the end of this track. It is a dead end track, and we've only got the fuel that's in the saw, so we might just save it for, you know, just in case we do need it. We've got plenty more tracks to have a look at. So it's okay, it's not the end of the world. We'll keep going. Best to be safe than sorry. And anyway, we'll get out of here and we'll hit another track. Come down another track down to the dam here. Now we're way up the back this time, and we've stopped down here for lunch. This spot's not as nice as the other one, but it's still really interesting coming, you know, right up the back end of the dam here, and having a look around. So pretty cool, but we're gonna get up this track. It is a little steep, nothing too crazy. It's marked as steep on the map, but yeah, it's not a problem really. And I think we're going to go over the other side of the ridge and check out a few tracks. pretty steep hill climb there. Now we're heading back down. We're about halfway along it, but just as I came around the corner I saw this big tree down, so we're just walking down to have a look at it, see if we can get around it or not. He's blocking most of the track. We'll just spare a minute and just check it out if I don't fall off it. Rightio, we've had a bit of a meeting, and I think the vote was to cut it and get it out of the way, and we'll keep going. We've cut through this log, but it's just sort of dropped down, sat on the ground, so we sort of expected that. So we've got a chain, we're going to drag it around, and then down here we've got a tree trunk protector and a snatch block. So we're just going to drag it down and get it out of the way. Rightio, track's cleared. Good work. Another little one down. So we think that tree might have been down, you know, if it's been down for 6 months. Obviously no one's been down here and it looks like it for a while. Everyone's gone down the sort of the other track there. So we might have a few we've got to clear. We've got about 6.5 k's to go till we get out on the tar. So fingers crossed. So 100 metres past that other one, would you believe it? We got another one down. So I hope there's not too many because we don't have unlimited fuel for the saw. But we'll see how we go. We'll just sort of keep cutting our way along. Do you reckon we could take some of these home, Scotty, and use them in our cooking segment?
Yeah, brilliant idea. You know, give them to one. If they're fine, then we can eat them.
Just nibble on one corner.
I'll get back to you on that.
Give it a lick.
No.
Okay, so an update. We got off that fire trail and now we're back on just a forest road, and it's about 3 k's out to the tar. So we got lucky there. No more trees to cut. So now we're just gonna drive back up the tar and back up to camp. We're back at camp, and we're just having a cup of tea before we have dinner and light the fire. That's our fire pit and our fire behind me. We're gonna have a bit of a last hurrah tonight before we leave to go home tomorrow. Should be a cool night, it's nice and clear. But this is our little campsite here on the river, and I'll just turn around. You can just about see, you know, we're the only ones in the campground. There's a few scattered people, but it's a huge park, and lots of space, which is nice. So I heard a strange noise in the bushes and I went and had a look. Turn that light off. I heard a strange noise in the bushes, so I went and had a look, and I bumped into Felicity Kendall. She's come over for a cup of tea.
You're just jealous. Just jealous.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
Well guys, that's our little adventure down here around the Midda area. We've been here for a week, and now it's time to head home. We're just packing up. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you real soon for the next one.